Hi, I am Lefteris from the National and Kapodistrian University of Athens. Today, I'm going to do a quick demonstration of our Python system ChatMatcher. ChatMatcher is an application designed to build and execute anti-resolution and privacy-preserving record linkage utilizing LLM-based verification. Let's begin. First, we need to start the Llama server to host and deploy our LLMs. Perfect. Llama is up and running. For this demonstration, we're going to use an NVIDIA GTX 1080 Ti with 11 gigabytes of RAM. Now, with just one simple command, we can launch the application. And here is ChatMatcher. Now that we're up and running, we will proceed with the standard end resolution workflow. Now, let's load our data. ChatMatcher gives us the flexibility to load a single dataset for a dirty ER workflow or two datasets for clean ER. We can also provide a ground truth file to evaluate the steps. We just need to define the file separators and the ID column. For today's demo, we're going to load the well-known about by, and to keep things quick, we will limit to 50 rows per file. The data loaded successfully, so we can now move on to configuring our workflow. Next, let's select our filtering algorithm. We will use a k-nearest neighbor search, looking for the top 4 neighbors. For our distance metric, we will use cosine similarity and will stick with standard tokenization. Now let's configure the LLMs. We'll choose Quen 2.5 with zero-shot prompting, and to speed things up, we'll also enable parallel matching across 4 batches. We will leave the prompt as it is. Finally, we're at the optional clustering step. To wrap up our configuration, we'll select unique mapping and set our similarity threshold to 0.2. Let's initialize our workflow. The workflow has started, as you can see from the progress bar here. While we wait, you can check the right terminal to clearly see the Llama logs actively handling our parallel requests. And simultaneously on the left terminal, we have the ChatMatcher console logs running. Workflow finished and evaluation was printed. Let's wrap up this quick demo by saving the LLM responses and the final pairs extract from our workflow. Thank you for watching.